Golden Teal, it is Miss Eddington. I am so excited to be making another video for you guys. I miss you so much, so if you want to send me pictures of you doing work, I would love to see them. If not, don't worry about it, just enjoy, and I hope you're able to practice this a little bit at home. So we are going to start using pictures to help us solve subtraction problems. Last week we used objects. We used those pieces of candy to help us subtract. We used those pieces of candy by taking them away. In this case, I ate them. So we used taking away or eating the objects to show some subtraction. Now today we're going to use pictures to help us subtract. Pictures are a little bit like objects, and let me show you why. So here we have 5 minus 2. This is the first math sentence that we're going to be working with. Okay, now instead of having 5 pieces of candy and me taking away 2, I'm going to draw some pieces of candy, okay? I'm not going to draw actual pieces of candy. I'm just going to draw circles. That way it stays really organized. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have 5 minus 2, so I drew 5 circles to represent the 5 that I started with. And I'm going to take away 2 by crossing them out. How many pieces do I have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to also circle them just to help me stay even more organized. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Oh, don't forget your equal sign. That's really important to showing where your answer is. Okay, let me fix this little guy. He looks crazy. There we go. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now there's another strategy we can use just to kind of check our work and also to use as another tool. And this strategy is a number bond. We used a number bond a lot when we were working on addition, but we can also use them for subtraction. So let me just remind you what a number bond looks like. Okay, this is a number bond. You have your place where your big mama goes right here, and then your 2 little babies. When we are subtracting, the whole number, the big mama, is going to be our first number. Okay, because it's the big number, it's the big thing that we're taking away from. It is the big number in the math sentence. It is the big mama. So let me go ahead and write a 5 here, because that's what my big mama is. That's what I'm going to start with. Then I took away 2. That was the next number I knew for sure. I took away 2. And then I had 3 left over. So 2 and 3 make 5. In other words, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Good, let's do one more and then you're going to practice on your own. This time I'm going to take away from 6. I'm going to start with 6 minus, show me a minus sign. That's right, you guys remember, show me a minus sign. Let's take away 3. 6 minus 3, show me your equal sign. Good, 2 lines right stacked on top of each other. Equals. Now let's figure out what this equals. I'm going to start with a picture. So I'm going to draw. How many do you think I'm going to draw? Go ahead and tell somebody sitting next to you. How many do you think I'm going to draw? That's right, I'm going to draw 6. Now that I drew 6, how many am I going to be taking away? Since we're subtracting, we're taking away. Good, I'm going to take away 3 by crossing them out. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to circle my extras. How many extras did we have in this math sentence? Good, we had 3. Now let's show this in a number bond. And my big mama, and I'm going to have my 2 little babies. This is the whole, and these are the 2 parts that make that whole. I started with 6 as my big mama number. I took away 3, and I was left with 3. Okay? So those are just a couple strategies that we can use to help us subtract, along with using objects like candies. So I want somebody at your house to give you a few subtraction problems, and I want you to practice drawing pictures to solve the problem and showing it to me in a number bond. Okay, so if you want to send those to me, I would love to see them. If not, enjoy practicing, and I'll see you tomorrow.